Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the most powerful open source firewall solutions available, OPNSense and PFsense. If you're setting up a home lab, protecting a small business network, or managing enterprise level infrastructure, these two names come up again and again. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from what they are, what they're used for, to their main features, the pricing, and the pros and cons. And conclude finally with which one is actually best for you in 2026. Let's get started. OPNSense is an open source firewall and routing platform built on FreeBSD. It was originally created as a fork of PFsense, but over time it evolved into its own independent project with a strong focus on modern design, security, and ease of use. OPNSense is designed to act as the central security layer for your network. It can be used as a firewall, a router, a VPN server, intrusion prevention system, and traffic monitoring tool, all in one place. One thing you'll immediately notice when browsing the OPNSense website is how much emphasis they place on transparency and openness. The project is fully open source, regularly audited and updated frequently. This makes it attractive to users who want full control over what the firewall is doing behind the scenes. How about PFsense? PFsense is one of the most well-known open source firewall solutions in the world. It's also built on FreeBSD and has been around longer than OPNSense. In fact, PFsense is often the first firewall people discover when moving away from consumer-grade routers. PFsense focuses heavily on stability, performance, and deep configurability. It's treasured by thousands of organizations globally, including businesses, data centers, and service providers. At its core, PFsense does everything you expect from a serious firewall: stateful packet inspection, NAT, routing, VPNs, traffic shaping, and monitoring. But where PFsense really shines is how much control it gives advanced users. If you like tweaking low-level settings, building complex routing rules, or managing multi-site VPNs, PFsense has the tools to do it. So while both platforms aim to secure and manage networks, OPNSense leans toward modern usability and rapid development, while PFsense leans toward proven reliability and depth. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. Firewall and routing. Both OPNSense and PFsense offer powerful stateful firewalls. You can create granular rules, manage inbound and outbound traffic, configure NAT, and control how data flows across your network. They both support advanced routing features, multi-WAN setups, failover, and load balancing, which is crucial for businesses that rely on constant uptime. Next is user interface and experience. This is where many users notice a big difference. OPNSense features a modern, clean, and intuitive web interface. The dashboards are visually appealing, menus are logically organized, and system status is easy to understand at a glance. PFsense, on the other hand, uses more of a traditional interface. It's highly functional but not as visually polished. Many experienced users prefer it because everything is exposed clearly, but beginners may find it overwhelming at first. Next is VPN capabilities. Both platforms excel when it comes to VPNs. They support OpenVPN, IPsec, and WireGuard, allowing you to securely connect remote users, offices, or cloud infrastructure. PFsense is often praised for its extremely detailed VPN configuration options, making it ideal for complex enterprise setups. OPNSense also offers strong VPN support but places more emphasis on automation and ease of configuration. How about security and intrusion prevention? Security is obviously the heart of both tools. OPNSense includes built-in intrusion detection and prevention features, with modern tools integrated directly into the system. While PFsense relies more on optional packages for intrusion detection and advanced filtering, which gives users flexibility but may require more setup. Both platforms allow deep traffic inspection, logging, and alerting, making them suitable for serious security deployments. How about the plugins and extensions? OPNSense offers a curated plugin system with officially maintained extensions that integrate smoothly into the interface. PFsense also supports packages, some of which are extremely powerful, but the ecosystem can feel less centralized. Advanced users often love this flexibility, while beginners may find it more complex. What is the pricing of both platforms like? Interestingly, both OPNSense and PFsense are free to download and use, which is a massive advantage compared to commercial firewall appliances. The only things you might have to pay for are the hardware that is purchased from the website. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with the pros. For OPNSense, modern user-friendly interface, frequent updates and rapid development, strong built-in security tools, and fully open sourced with no license restrictions. The pros of PFsense: long-standing reputation and proven stability, massive user community and documentation, extremely flexible and powerful configurations, and excellent VPN and routing capabilities. How about the cons? For OPNSense, smaller community compared to PFsense, and some plugins are still evolving. And for PFsense, the interface feels dated to some users, and some features and support are tied to the commercial offerings. So which firewall tool is actually the best? Well, the honest answer is it depends on what kind of user you are. If you want a modern, visually clean firewall that's easy to manage, frequently updated, and fully open source without restrictions, then OPNSense is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you're an advanced user or a network professional who values stability, deep customization, and a massive knowledge base, then PFsense is still a powerhouse. And that's it on the review of PFsense and OPNSense. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Untangle NG Firewall, IPFire, and Sophos Firewall Home Edition. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.